lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi Water Signs! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your November the 8th to November the 14th reading. Ayan. So pasensya na, again, late. The last time na nag-record ako dito, I was, or we were, our family were in a rough time. It's much a bit medyo rough pa rin, no? Sinabi ko nga the last time, yung last reading, one of our family members were hospitalized, no? There are things that we cannot control, you know, but to accept this is life. The person already passed away. Ayan. So, syempre, nag-mourn muna tayo, no? Madaming inasikaso, like the payments, certificates, no matter what kind of certificate there is, no, na available to legalize everything. So, yeah, we lost one of our family members, but life must move on. Here we are. So for those of you who's new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Pwede mo kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website, no? Dito po sa description box, nandun po ang ating website. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na po tayo, no? Water signs. So ang nakikita natin dito, bakit pakiramdam mo, no, na mangyayari at mangyayari talaga ito? Pakiramdam mo, or this is the start of being blocked, or this could be you, this could be your person. One thing's for sure, the situation as of the moment is not good actually, no? Siguro meron ditong nag-iisip na i-block ko na kaya itong taong to, masyado na ako nakukulitan. This relationship is not healthy anymore. There's something in here, parang this might be a download, no, na I should stop, no, this relationship. I should stop sending. I should stop, sabihin nating, I should stop mingling with this person, no, associating myself, no, with the person. Kung anong man yung iniisip, no, nung kabilang kampo, yung kumbaga yung pinag-iisipan, I feel like this is going to happen. It is actually happening, no? There might be some physical or energetic, no, separations in here, or this might be a combination. Physical separation, literal, malayo sa isa't isa. Literal, the other person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different barangay, different continent, no? kabilang kalye, kabilang bahay, and energetic separations, ito yung hindi nag-uusap, merong nakablock, merong binablock, merong hindi pinapansin. Kahit nagkikita tayo sa mata, sabihin mong nasa iisang bubong tayo, no? Pero meron pa rin separations kasi nakikita man, no, nagtatagpo man ang ating mga mata, hindi ko naririnig yung boses, hindi rin ako nagpapakita, no, ng aking mga sinasabi, or hindi ko rin sinasabi, hindi ko rin pinapaalam kung ano yung aking mga move, ang aking nararamdaman, no? Or this might be a combination of both, which is malala, no? Dahil malayo na nga sa isa't isa, kumbaga, we're totally back from being strangers. So, medyo masakit, masaklap. Ang nakikita ko dito, hinayaan. Hinayaan din no? Alam ko naghihirap siya. Alam ko na medyo hindi maganda ang estado, no, ng kanyang pamumuhay ngayon. Pero, ginagawa ko ito, no? Kasi gusto kong may matutunan siya, gusto kong meron siyang ma-experience, gusto ko na sabihin nating gusto kong maramdaman niya kung ano yung feeling, no, ng hindi ako kasama, no? I want to teach my personal lesson. Ayan. With the 10 of Swords, the King of Wands, the Lovers. So, parang feeling dito nung whether this is you or your person, again, you can interchange, no, the roles, the situation. What I am reading in here is the dynamic, alright? Ang nakikita natin dito, ayoko nang makipag-usap. Sinabi ko na rin sa sarili ko na this relationship is so whimsical. I think that, no, binulag ko lang yung sarili ko. Hindi ko, kumbaga, binulag ko yung sarili ko, that's on purpose. Nagbulag-bulagan ako, no, dahil meron ding mga taong nagsasabi sa akin. It just so happened na, kasi mahal ko no, yung tao that time. So, mas pinili kong hindi makinig, no? Ngayon, kumbaga, tinanggal ko na rin itong sabihin nating pakikipag-usap, no? Inalis ko na rin itong may binawi ako no? That's something that I gave before, something that I, sabihin nating, kung dati ako yung vocal, ako yung palahabol, ngayon manigas ka, no? Dati ako yung taong hindi mo pa kailangan nandiyan na yung tulong ko, no? That is a very water sign, no? Kala kasi nila may pagka-demonyo ang mga water sign. Yes, meron talaga. Pero wag mong i-trigger kasi sobrang lambot no, ng puso ng mga water signs. So ngayon, mali ka nang napindot na button, no? So parang, etong button na to, gawin mo na lahat, wag mo lang itong pipindutin. Kaso yun yung ginawa mo, so pasensyahan tayo. Lumuha ka ng dugo, no? Magpadulas ka sa blade. I don't care anymore. Actually, eto na nga yung sinasabi natin na, who you, no? Who you ka na sa akin. With the 4 of Pentacles and the 3 of Wands. So I feel like umaasa pa rin si person na maibalik itong mga dating pagtitinginan, pero sa'yo, no, done, tama na, tapos na, ayoko na makipag-usap, binali ko na itong pantasya ko na we are twin flames, no? Yung iba kasi na lilito, it might be a twin flame, it might be soulmate, pero hindi ako naniniwala, no? I feel like you are a karmic instead of really being a twin flame. The death card and the Eight of Swords. So ang nakikita natin dito, ayoko nang makipag-usap. I feel like kinukulit pa rin kayo up until now. Kaya medyo na-force tayo, na itigil na. Ang pinakamasaklap dito, no, for a few numbers of you, talagang lumipat pa ng address, lumipat pa ng bahay, dahil ayoko nang matulilig, no? Ayoko nang kulitin pa. Ayoko magkaroon ng traces, no? Parang feeling ko tuloy ang tingin mo dun sa tao is criminal, no? Ayoko magkaroon ng association. Either nandidiri ako, no? Kinikilabutan ako. Pag tinitignan ko yung sarili ko, no, parang gusto kong ipalo yung ulo ko, ihampas yung ulo ko sa pader. Bakit ang tanga-tanga ko, no? Bakit hinayaan ko mangyari yun? Ito bang taong to talaga? Feeling ko nga no, meron ditong siguro iniisip, ginayong ba ako nitong taong to? Kasi at that moment in time, sobrang sarado yung isip ko na itong taong to ay para sa akin. Pero I don't believe in that anymore. No, nagising na ako sa katotohanan. With the Sun, the World card, the Six of Swords. So yung iba sa inyo, no, a small percentage of you, I feel like may plano or already an OFW sa mga maiinit na lugar, Middle East, somewhere sandy. Yung iba nandun na, yung iba doon talaga nakabase, yung iba nagpaplano, no, I think I should move forward, not mingle with this person anymore, move on with my life. Nakapag-desisyon na ako na kailangan ko ng magsulat, no, magsulat ng isang magandang chapter ng buhay ko. Siguro kailangan ko ng isarado ang chapter na iyon. Magsimula from a clean slate, no, back to square one. Ang maganda kasi dito, yung pag-asa, no, nandoon. Ang maganda dito, merong pagtanggap na oo, nagkamali ako. I was such a fool then, no, but I've learned my lesson now. Wheel of Fortune and the Judgment. Ang sabi dito ni water signs, no, sarado muna ang aking puso, no? Sarado muna ang aking puso for romance, no? Kahit may magpahiwatig, alam mo, ang focus dito ni water signs is pera, no? I think marami ding nawala, no? Hindi lang pera, something abundant, no? Abundance may not always be money. It could also be time, effort, self-love, no? Dahil ibinuhos natin itong ating pagmamahal sa isang tao na hindi naman tayo nasuklian. Kaya ngayon, self-love muna ako, no? With the Wheel of Fortune in here, ang mas mahalaga sa iyo ngayon, no, makapagsimula muli. Malinis ko ang sarili ko, malinis ko ang pangalan ko, magkaroon ng maraming pera. I feel like there is such a big diin, no, sa pera. I feel like kailangan ko mabawi, kailangan ko bawiin. Wala akong ibang focus ngayon. Hindi ko na ibibigay, no, itong aking mga abundant, no. I've learned my lesson well. So tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign, no, nitong taong ito, ng person mo, no, water signs. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo, Gemini, Scorpio, Libra. Meron ba tayo nakaligtaan? Sagittarius, yep, I said it. Yeah, this is your reading. Water signs, again, para po sa mga bago. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV, no? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito, no? Nagla-live tayo doon, pero kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso kayo dun sa ating description box. There's a link. Now, click the link. Now, you can type in your questions. No, makikita nyo dun the name, the number, and how much per questions. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan. Hanapin nyo na lang sa QR codes. This is your reading again. Water signs, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.